Former Prime Minister of Pakistan, the illegally incarcerated Imran Khan, has announced a change in the Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, citing the deteriorating law and order situation in the province. PTI Secretary General Salman Akram Raja announced the change while addressing the media outside Adiala jail after meeting the former Prime Minister. After the meeting, a tweet was also shared to Imran Khan's personal Twitter account in which Mr. Khan expressed deep sorrow over the terrorist attack in Orakzai today, in which 16 security personnel lost their lives. The incident prompted his decision to make this change in the leadership of the province governed by his party. Quote, I am deeply saddened by the loss of precious lives in the tragic terrorist incident that took place today in the Orakzai area. In these military operations, only Pakistanis are being martyred, whether they are civilians, police officers, or soldiers. The policy of fighting terrorism through drone attacks, jet planes, and mortar shells is an utterly foolish strategy, due to which the country has never been able to break free from the vicious cycle of terrorism. Unquote. Mr. Khan nominated Suhail Afridi, who has risen through the party ranks from a student leader. In his message from the jail, Mr. Khan said that a comprehensive strategy is needed to defeat terrorism. Quote, for lasting peace, it is essential to view this issue from a broader perspective, with all parties sitting together to resolve matters through mutual understanding. I am hopeful that the change in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government will mark a new beginning. Support will be sought from public representatives, jirgas and tribal leaders, and all parties will engage in dialogue to find a lasting solution to the issue of terrorism through mutual understanding. I am fully confident that in line with my instructions, the new Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Suhail Afridi, will succeed in implementing the best formula for peace in the province. Unquote.